Welcome, everyone, to this explainer. Okay, so if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the mere idea of starting an online business from scratch, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're unpacking a highly focused step-by-step blueprint for going from absolute zero to launching a fully functional business with your very first paying customer, all in under 24 hours. And how are we doing this? By entirely leveraging modern AI tools to do all the heavy lifting for us. So grab a notepad and get ready because this is a high-speed sprint into modern entrepreneurship.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our 24-hour sprint. First, finding a profitable niche. Second, decoding the buyer psychology. Third, building the landing page. Fourth, sourcing without the hassle. And finally, launching ads in scaling. Let's get right into it.
Step 1. Finding a profitable niche, or where the money actually flows.
So instead of just guessing what people might care about, let's actually look at the data. Human desires are, believe it or not, highly predictable. There are 3 evergreen niches where people consistently, without fail, spend their money. Health and wellness, wealth and money, and relationships and dating. Think about it. People always want to be healthy, they always want to feel financially secure, and they always want to find a partner or improve their attractiveness. If you want to move fast, you absolutely must plant your flag in one of these 3 arenas.
Now, to find our specific product, the source analysis utilized this awesome trend-spotting tool called Exploding Topics. And after sifting through the data, a very specific, rapidly trending product emerged. Honestly, you probably wouldn't guess it at first glance: the water flosser. But here's the absolute genius of this specific product. It doesn't just sit isolated in one niche, it perfectly intersects 2 of our evergreen categories. It's fundamentally a health device for your gums, right? But the purchase is heavily driven by the desire for better dating appeal and physical attractiveness through getting that perfect smile.
And hey, if you need immediate validation on whether people are actually opening their wallets for this thing, just listen to this figure. Researching just one individual water flosser product on the market right now reveals an average monthly revenue of $103,000. That is the kind of massive, undeniable market demand we want to tap into. The money is absolutely there.
Step 2. Decoding the buyer psychology. Why do they actually buy?
To figure this out, we can use a voice app called WhisperFlow to literally just verbally prompt Claude AI to brainstorm our ideal audience. And this brilliantly illustrates what Claude identified: 2 entirely distinct buyer avatars for our water flosser. On one side, you have the preventative health buyer. They are terrified of the dentist's lecture, expensive bills, and gum disease. But on the other side, you have the vanity and confidence buyer. They are strictly concerned with fresh breath, brilliantly white teeth, and social appeal for dating.
Now you might be thinking, well, hitting both angles at once is obviously the smart play, but actually, Claude flagged a critical issue here, giving us a golden rule for sales. These 2 angles pull the customer in completely different emotional directions. You simply cannot lead with both. You have to pick one single emotional bucket for your primary hook, and the first 3 sentences of your sales page must focus entirely on it. So, for our blueprint today, we are going all in on the vanity and confidence dating angle.
Step 3. Building the landing page. Designing for high conversions.
Look, we aren't going to spend weeks learning how to code. Who has the time for that? Instead, we're using an AI platform called Lovable.dev. To get the exact storefront we need instantly, we just feed Lovable a highly specific prompt. We tell the AI our brand name, let's go with Flossy Bossy. We clearly define our target audience, people looking to attract dates. We command a minimalistic and stylish visual design with bold typography so it's super easy to scan. The entire goal programmed into the AI is high conversion intent. And literally, in seconds, the AI generates a complete professional mockup.
Now, what's really interesting about this is this absolute copywriting masterclass. You see, the AI's initial headlines were, well, a little bit generic. But by prompting Claude AI with the direct response principles of the legendary copywriter Dan Kennedy, we get this incredible hook. Warning, your smile might be holding you back in dating. It perfectly executes the problem plus agitate formula. It punches the exact pain point we identified earlier, making it practically impossible for our target buyer to ignore it.
Of course, to make this a real, credible business, you need a domain name. Now, the .com was listed for thousands of dollars, which is a massive speed bump. But pivoting just slightly to an alternative extension solves this instantly. Securing flossybossy.online on Namecheap cost exactly 98 cents, and it's seamlessly connected to the Lovable landing page in under 30 seconds. Boom. The 24-hour momentum continues without missing a single beat.
Step 4. Sourcing without the hassle.
the speed to market hack.
This solves the biggest roadblock most beginners face. Honestly, a lot of guides out there will show you how to build a website, but then they just leave you hanging with the most critical question. How do you actually get this physical product into the hands of a real customer without massive upfront costs? Because, look, if you try to source from China via AliExpress on day one, you are going to absolutely kill your launch momentum. You have to handle fulfillment, deal with weeks of shipping times, and carry a crazy high inventory risk. The 24-hour method skips this entirely. By using an affiliate network platform like OfferVault, you simply grab a unique tracking link for an existing water flosser offer. The setup literally takes minutes, the network handles the shipping and customer support, and your risk level is absolutely zero. This is exactly how you aggressively prove the concept before you ever touch a piece of physical inventory.
Let's move to and see how this builds in reality. So how does this actually look in practice? You just take that unique affiliate link from OfferVault and you paste it directly into the Buy Now buttons on your AI-generated Lovable site. Now, every single time someone clicks Shop Now on your page, they are seamlessly routed to the supplier's checkout. You earn a pure $21 commission per sale, and you don't even have to fulfill a single box. It's game over. You are ready to sell.
Finally, step 5. Launching ads and scaling. Getting eyeballs on the offer.
All right, your page is live, your product is successfully linked. Now you need traffic. And before you spend a single dollar, let me show you the ultimate proof of concept. By analyzing competitor data, the source material found a single competitor called Smile Therapy that is currently spending $257,000 on active ads for a dental flosser. Let that sink in. You do not spend $250,000 on ads unless that product is converting wildly. The demand is a proven mathematical fact.
So here's the rapid-fire sequence to get your piece of that market. First, you use a tool called Manea to scrape and find those exact active ads that your competitors are running right now. Second, download their ad copy and feed it directly into ChatGPT. Third, prompt the AI to not just blindly copy, but to spin in and improve the ad to actively boost the click-through rate so you actually stand out. And finally, launch those AI-generated ads on Meta platforms for as little as $5 to $10 a day. You test cheap, see instant data within a day, cut what fails, and scale what prints money.
So the crucial point is that the barriers to entry have completely evaporated. AI can analyze trends, decode buyer psychology, build amazing storefronts, write killer copy, and scale ads literally all in under a day. The traditional excuses we used to have for not starting a business, they just no longer exist. The blueprint is fully mapped out for you, and the technology is sitting right at your fingertips. The only variable left is you. So, what will you launch today?